Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a conversion tap. So we've got the space in the garage that we want to convert into a laundry. Where I'm sitting at the moment was a tub and it's about to be replaced. We've got the hot and cold taps for the laundry trough or laundry tub. We want to put a washing machine next to it, but that means we're going to need to get a plumber to come and install another set of hot and cold taps as a water supply for the washing machine. Alternatively, we can just use one of these conversion units or conversion taps. So how that works is we replace this tap with one of these. This will control the washing machine. This tap controls the tub. And then there's the feed to the washing machine. So a pair of these conversion taps costs around $100 from the plumbing store. I'm going to show you how to get these installed. First up, we need to turn the water off to the house.
The house's water shut-off valve is usually located out the front of your property. A quarter turn clockwise will turn the water off to the entire house. To help stop the flow of hot water, turn off the cold water supply found near your hot water cylinder as well.
And now we can empty the line. So the only reason I'm taking these taps off now, rather than waiting for this splashback to be tiled, is because see how close I have to get that spanner to the wall now to get to that nut. I think once we add 8 or 10 mil for our tiles, it's going to be really tricky to get in there. So I thought we'll install these now, and that way, if we need to take them off, at least we're going to be right out here with the spanner. This is missing its rubber off the end. I think it still must be in there. Oh yeah, I can see it. So we've taken the hot tap out, replaced it with the hot tap. Put your collar on, fibre washer and tap washer there. Because of the fibre washer, we don't need to replace any thread seal tape. Again, make sure these taps are turned off. And we'll repeat with this one. Make sure your tap's open before you install it. Put your fibre washer on. Nice and straight. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Once you're happy that your tap is nice and tight, now close the tap. Because we're reusing that same spout, I guess you call it, I'm going to just replace the thread sealing tape on that, just to make sure we don't get any leaks. So I don't know how many that is. What was that? Maybe 7, 8. Make sure your taps are turned off, and then let's go put the water back on.
Now you can remove the air that's been trapped in the pipes. Just turn the taps on until there's a steady flow of water coming from them.
Way!
So here we are now with our laundry tub installed back in place. We were able to connect our water supply lines to these conversion taps, and we've turned it on. We've connected our washing machine waste pipe to the tub, and we've tested it out. It works perfectly, there's no leaks. I found this project pretty easy actually, to change these taps over to conversion taps. If you found this video helped you with your project, give it a thumbs up, I appreciate that. I would have liked to have shown you a video with the finished product, you know, with the backsplash tiled and so on, but that'll have to be another video. We'll see you on the next one. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle.